Hey guys, Tony Maritato here, licensed physical therapist, and I had a question to run by anyone who's had a total knee replacement and has gone to physical therapy. So I'm trying something new in my clinic and I want to get feedback from a real audience. Now, I know that anytime I've been to a medical appointment or I've gone with my parents to a medical appointment, it's always challenging to remember what's been said, what's been shared. The answer to the questions we have seems like it just kind of comes in and then as soon as we walk out the door, it's gone. And I know that a lot of us will take notes during the doctor's visit, but even that gets really hard to just keep up with everything because it seems like you're always in such a rush, or at least the doctor is. So my question to you is specifically about your physical therapy sessions. Now, if you've already had physical therapy for your knee replacement, I hope it went well. But what I've been experimenting with and what I'm looking for honest feedback on is the question of, I have done some audio recordings. When somebody asks me a question, like a lot of the people in my knee replacement support group will ask a question, I'll jump on a video and I'll record my answer. But in the clinic, what I'll do is I'll have a little audio recorder, and if I get a question from a new patient, I will record an audio file answering the question that they asked. It doesn't have to include my patient's voice on it. It's usually just my voice because of HIPAA compliance and privacy. Then what I also do is, I'm sure you've had home exercise programs prescribed for you. Usually you see these little stick figures on a piece of paper. Sometimes they use a computer program and you have online access. But what I like to do is I just grab my phone or I'll grab my client's phone. I'll record 10, 20, 30-second video clips of my client doing the exercise with my audio, me in the background explaining what to do, how often to do it, reps, sets, all of that kind of stuff. So my question is, do you believe that's valuable? Would that have helped you in any way when you were a patient in physical therapy? And do you believe that's something that, is worth the time of the therapist? Because it is an extra labor on the therapist. It does take potentially time away from the therapist being able to do something else with you. So I feel like sometimes my patients are amazing people and they want to humor me. They want me to feel good about what we're doing in the clinic. But you guys, I'm looking for honest feedback. If you had an audio recording of the answers to the questions you've asked during therapy, would that be of value to you? And if you had little video clips, either text to you or emailed to you, during the physical therapy session of the exact exercises you're doing and exactly what your therapist is recommending and prescribing. Would that be valuable to you? I know you guys can't tell me directly, so let me know down in the comments below. And if you have any other feedback, any other ideas, anything that you wish could have happened during your therapy session, I would love to know, because ultimately my goal is to help improve the quality of everybody's physical therapy experience, not just patients in my clinic. I'll catch you guys on the next video.